because the little baby bird was attacked by the dog. Our dog. I don't think it's going to drink from here. I need a flat lid container so we can do. I almost trod on it, I thought it was in the grass, and I totally trod past it. And if I trod on it, I'd be like, oh, I'm sorry, you're just a little baby bird. Just seeing how it is. Want some water? I don't think my water container is doing very well. It looks like it's moving, but it's not flying. So it doesn't look injured or bloody. But I'm not sure it can fly. It's having trouble with its wings. But it's walking. What is? Doesn't seem to want water. Don't need anything.